Okay, so welcome back to Basin Motorsports. Today, we're going to show you how to replace the front wipers on your favorite CK, GM, Chevy, truck, or Suburban. Now to start with, your favorite truck is most likely going to have a 22-inch wiper that you can buy easily for the driver and the passenger because they are the same, and you can buy them locally from your favorite auto parts store or your favorite online retailer. Okay, so I'm going to start on the driver's side just real quick. Now the easy way, these wipers have tension on them, so if you pull them up, they're going to want to return to the windshield. So you have to use one hand to pull it up just a little bit to be able to work with the wiper. Now on the wipers themselves, they're going to easily come off. There's a hooked piece on the metal that they snap into, and there's going to be either a tab on the outside or the inside that you'll need to squeeze with your other hand and be able to pull it off. So if you squeeze the tab in, it's going to then pull off. Once it's pushed in, you can then pull it away from the curved section of the metal, and then you can dislodge it from the wiper. So if I pull it down, there's also going to be an opening right here in the wiper that I can now take away from the metal and take the wiper itself off. Now this is going to snap back against your windshield when you let go, so you can just take this and lightly set it down to go get your new one ready. Okay, so if I show you up close the wiper itself, this is the piece that goes into the arm. Now if I show you, there's a little small tab in there. You can see in that's what you would push in before you dislodge it. It keeps tension up there and keeps it snapped in. Now in order to reinstall this, again, I'm going to use a free hand, pull the wiper up. You can see the curved finger itself. Now, this is going to snap in, and it's going to have a little bit of an opening in the metal of the wiper itself. You're going to put the tab or the finger down in there. Turn, get it aligned, and then you're going to slide it until it snaps in. Okay, once you hear it snap, you kind of feel it have a little kick to it where it's now locked in place. You can also pull on it to see if it's dislodged. If it comes off, obviously redo it again until it snaps, and you may have to give a little more force than you realize to get it to snap in, but once it's there, that baby's on there. So now you can just return it down, complete the opposite side the same way, pull the wiper up, pinch the tab, pull it away, work it off, take the new one, work it on, snap it on, and then you're done. Now, if you like these tips, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will continue to update on your Chevy CK series and your Suburban. And that's it for this time. We'll see you next time.